Abid, Gugun, Memet, ada apa sih? Kok jadi ribut?
Ayah Umar datang mendengar anak-anak yang ramai saat saling berjualan.
Hey, Abid, Gugun, Mehmet, what's up? What's with all the noise? Says Father Umar, hearing the kids who are busy selling things.
Ini ayah, Gugun kan jual pisang, Memet beli. Tapi ternyata ada yang busuk. Jadi Memet minta pisangnya diganti.
Abid menjelaskan.
Father, Gugun is selling bananas and Mehmet bought some. But it turns out there is one that is rotten, so Mehmet asked Gugun to replace it,
Explained Abid.
Iya, Gugun gak bilang kalau ada pisang yang busuk. Padahal Memet udah bayar.
Ujar Memet.
Oh gitu. Terus gimana dong?
Tanya ayah.
Gugun masih punya pisang yang lain kok ayah. Jadi mau diganti. Pisang yang sudah dibeli Memet nanti dibeli sama Rara. Burung-burung di rumah Rara masih mau makan,
Kata Abid.
Yes, Gugun didn't say that some of the bananas were bad, and I already paid,
Said Mehmet. Oh, really? So what now? Asked Father.
Gugun has another banana, Dad, so he can give it to Mehmet. The bad banana that was bought by Mehmet will later be bought by Rara. It's cheaper. The birds at Rara's house still want to eat.
Abid said.
A. Siapakah yang menjual buah-buahan? B. Apa yang dijual Abid? C. Siapakah yang menjual 4 minuman?
Who is selling fruit? What is Abid selling? Who is selling drinks?
Alhamdulillah, bagus sekali kerjasamanya. Oh iya, kalau berjualan memang harus jujur, biar nggak ada teman yang dirugikan. Periksa baik-baik barang yang kita jual sebelum dibeli oleh orang lain. Kalau memang ada yang rusak atau busuk, sampaikan saja. Ayah sudah pernah cerita bagaimana dulu Rasulullah SAW berdagang kan?
Ayah menjelaskan sambil tersenyum.
Alhamdulillah, you work well together. Oh yeah, if you sell it, you have to be honest so none of your friends are hurt. Check all the items you want to sell before they are bought by other people. If there is something broken or rotten, just say so. I already told you how the Prophet ﷺ first traded, right? Explained Father with a smile.
Iya, Gugun minta maaf ya teman-teman. Gugun kurang teliti.
Kata Gugun sambil tertunduk.
Yes, I'm sorry, friends. I didn't check them well enough, said Gugun, lowering his head.
Hari mulai sore, Abid dan teman-temannya berkemas. Mereka berjanji akan lebih teliti saat membeli dan menawarkan barang dagangannya.
It's getting afternoon. Abid and his friends packed up. They promised that they will be more careful when buying and offering their goods.
Mimi mau bilang ke Bunda, biar kita sekali-sekali boleh berjualan di kantor bundanya Mimi. Pasti selalu kalau diberi om dan tante yang kerja di sana.
Mimi bersemangat, sama seperti yang lain.
I will ask Mom so we can sell our goods in my mom's office. It will be very exciting if aunts and uncles there buy our goods,
said Mimi enthusiastically like the others.
Carilah 5 perbedaan antara sepeda Gugun dan Memet.
Find 5 differences between Gugun's bicycle and Mehmet's bicycle.